Hi, I'm Paul Simmons and I'm the wayfinding expert. On this channel I'm going to talk about everything to do with wayfinding and navigation. So what is wayfinding? Well, in essence, it's how we get from A to B, and this could be with the use of signage, it could be with using technology, by asking people for directions, and it's used in a variety of locations: hospitals, airports, shopping malls, university campuses. Everywhere we go, basically, there's some element of wayfinding. And in this channel, I'm going to talk about every single aspect of wayfinding, from signage design to how you can commercialize your location if you're in charge of, let's say, an airport or shopping mall, to every technological device. So I'm going to have reviews, advice, stories, Q&A sessions, everything to do with wayfinding and navigation. So please make sure also to subscribe to this channel. There's a button just below this video which you can just click and you'll have access to all the videos that I'm going to make in the coming months and years. So thank you for visiting this channel. It's great to have you here. Thank you.